Today I am going to be showing you how to get your Monzo Pin on Monzo application. It is a very simple thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Monzo application on your browser or on your mobile phone. If you put the wrong pin in too many times when making a payment, Monzo block your card to keep it safe. You can recover your pin by following these steps. Go to the Home tab of your application, scroll to the card of the affected account, tap Card Details underneath your card, or if you are using our new home screen, select Card. Follow the steps. You will need your card, your ID, and take a selfie video. Monzo will never ask for your PIN, long card number, or 3 digits from the back of your card, so please keep this a secret, even from Monzo. Once we have verified your identity, we will unblock your PIN and show you a reminder of what it is. In this way, you can get your PIN in Monzo.